Alright guys, I'm on a call with my friends right now. I'm seeing two areas of pretty decent wind pockets here. These just got worse. I don't know if these are gonna rotate, but if they do, I am like right in the path of that. It's not currently raining out right now, but this is kind of concerning. I doubt it's going to go tornado warned, but if it does, I'm going to catch it. I'm going to be the first to catch it, so we shall see, because it is getting pretty weird right there. Okay, I'm dead serious when I say this looks like it is rotating. Oh my gosh, that's heading right towards me too. Even this one over Gehanna, like, it looks like it's rotating. Like, I don't know. This is like the third or fourth scan that I've seen where it's like trying to form a couplet. So, I don't know. I really don't know. They might do something, but I'm having my doubts. I mean, there's still no rain right now. Like, it's pure quiet outside. Like, I just don't know. This looks like it looks like it's rotating. It looks like it's rotating, seriously. Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Yep, here we go. Here we go. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Franklin County.
Yep, here we go.
Until 11:15 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Groveport.
There they go.
25 miles an hour. Shoot. Hazardous tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I knew they would.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Lithopolis, Lockport, Bryce, and Blacklick Estates. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 97 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 110. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening to the
Sirens are going off here in Grove City. Oh my gosh. Yep. Yep. Hey guys. Oh, I'm in the polygon. Okay. Yes, they are. I'm getting them. Yeah, the 4004 here is going off, yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. Yeah. Let me grab my scanner. Yep. I'm gonna go back outside, guys. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going out. Okay. Alright, they're shutting off. Alright.
That may not be a smart move.
Alright.
It's just gonna be a
I hear an analog winding down. Alright, guys. Really, the warning is past me right now. But they did finally issue a tornado warning. I'm here in Grove City. We got the radios out right now. Yeah, there was some pretty decent looking rotation on radar. And so trying to see here. Like you can't really see anything. I mean, there's a decent bit of lightning over there. Activating the sirens again.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County until 11:30 p.m. At 11:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Canal Winchester, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Pickerington, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Lithopolis, Carroll, Bryce, and Blacklick Estates. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is